This is where we got the snowblower out from. Had to do some digging just to get it out. What a pain in the neck. Yeah, it's no joke here. It's got lights on it, that's what's cool. I got a yardstick. We're gonna see how deep the snow is here. Over by the Mustang, I had trouble walking over here. Whew. Let's see where we're at here, guys. Um, 12 inches. 11. Right there. Whew. This is very hard to walk through because you keep sinking into it, you know? It's really bad. This area here by the front of the bends, 25 inches of snow I had to walk through to get that extension cord over here. Yeah, no wonder why I'm having problems here. Let's see what the driveway has. 11 inches. It's 11. 7, 11. There's drifts, you know. It's a mess, guys. Definitely a mess. I'm lucky to have that blower. I tried shoveling around the blower. It's like back breaking. The snow got really dense on the top. We got a couple more inches since I shoveled the step. Man. Hit the thumbs up. Your friend, New York Dan. In the Arctic, baby. Ice Station Zebra. Whew, that's a workout. That's a workout right there, son. It probably doesn't look like much on camera, but this is getting to be ridiculous. This stuff's like cement. The only good news is I can still get to my barbecue. If I want to do grilling. The tiki torch of summer is just a distant memory at this point. Man. Now I got to deal with the Mustang. Any volunteers? Got to get all that snow off it. And the snow is pretty, look at it. It's turning into a crust on there. Yeah, that's going to be a workout, just getting that car cleared off. I used the blower to make this path here so I could get over to the garage. Unfortunately, a lot of the mist, like a lot of the snow I blew over there, that's like massive now. But I got to dig out here. I have the extension cord coming out. That's what I needed to start the snowblower. Had to get the cord out. It ain't easy, guys.